today. My heart is pumping like a runaway train. Do you know what that means? It means my heart and lungs are really working hard to supply oxygen to my body. And the answer to all of that is the heart. Do you guys want to know how our wonderful heart looks and works? I wanted to know, and I wanted to find out. So I did a dissection and found really interesting stuff. Our heart, do you know where it lies? Well, it actually lies in the chest cavity, right behind the ribs. And the ribs protect the heart because it's a very, very delicate organ. If this heart is damaged, it's going to have a harder time supplying the oxygen to our cells, and therefore we might actually die. That's why the heart must be protected at all times with the rib cage. So, when cells, when they metabolize, they generate a lot of carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide enters the blood, where it enters the heart again. The heart pushes them into the lungs, and where you like breathe out, right? So the carbon dioxide comes out, and then you breathe in more oxygen, which comes back in the heart, and then it spreads out to all over your body. Do you see this little artery over here? Well, the blood actually comes in through the aorta. When one of these gets blocked, the blood cannot supply any more blood and oxygen to the heart muscle, and therefore our heart stops beating. Our heart actually works 24/7. It can never even skip one beat. I just explained that if your heart stops beating, you'll probably just die. Well, if you're lucky enough to have been in a hospital at that time, some might have preferred CPR. If you're not there, which is very likely, you'll just die. Here I am with a dissected heart. And I really feel bad for the pig, but anyways, to learn better, you must actually feel it. So here I am, feeling a big heart. And then you can actually learn better if you feel it yourself. And of course, before we end the video, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind. So of course, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Do you know what that means? That means my heart and lungs are really working hard to supply blood